Hi, hello friends. We have started from Sharjah and we are going to Lamsi Plaza. This is located in Bardubai. I have taken exit from Al Nada area and now joining with Dubai Expressway. You can see the endless traffic on the left side going towards Sharjah. Most of the people working in Dubai live in Sharjah because of lower apartment rents. Since this is late evening, people are leaving from offices in Dubai and heading towards Sharjah. You can also observe the road towards Dubai is almost empty. The same road, if you observe during the morning time, it is flooded with vehicles going to offices in Dubai. I am taking exit from this road which goes to Dubai. Other lines go to Dera city. The building in view is World Trade Center on Sheikh Zayed Road. Now we have reached Karama area in Bardubai. Karama is a complete residential area. We can find many Indian food restaurants here. Saravana Bhavan, Sangeeta and many famous hotels can be found here. Lulu Shopping Center and supermarket is also located in Karama. 2 dirhams shopping center is famous here. Getting the parking space in Karama is very difficult. One has to wait and keep circling inside the car parking area till he gets an empty slot. Lamsi Plaza is outside Karama area, but it is also in the center of residential area. We have reached the mall and this is the car parking in front of the mall.
First it's smoking, drinking, selling, schooling, screwing, whoring. Now it's screaming, fighting, oh my god, it's fucking boring. As you're going through my garbage and you're picking...
Looks like the cat also has come for shopping. Climbing doll is the center of attraction to this mall. Dress to this doll is changed every day.
It's just a fling. But to her,
Lancy Plaza provides 360-degree shopping area. It is called open shopping concept. There are many small shops in all floors and selling watches, sunglasses, souvenirs, crystals, perfumes, cosmetics, etc. at affordable prices. It has a large bookshop where you can get books on variety of subjects. It also has one Japanese store where endless items are available at a down-to-earth price. It is a small store, yet it displays whole range of items. If you get into the store, you will end up in shopping for hours. I personally like this mall. I don't know the reason for it. I visited lot of times and also did lot of shopping. Here one can get items at lower cost compared to other malls. Large hypermarket occupies the entire floor on fourth level. Whole range of household items are available at cheaper rates. If we set aside the cost, variety of items are available here. Variety of t-shirts and shirts are available at less price. Today I am still using the t-shirts bought in this mall. Ground floor has a dining area with few food courts. What I observed here is that we get tasty food compared to elsewhere. Ground floor has one small crystal shop. We can get all types of gems and crystals. Lucky crystals, gems to all birth zodiacs are available. This mall also has several public service stalls. We can pay electricity and water bills here. Telephone bills can be paid here. Traffic fines can be paid here. Driving school registration booths are also available. ATM is available. Money exchange service is also available. It is not very large mall, but it has lot of shops and variety of shops. Couple of movie theaters are also available outside the mall, but in the same building. Visiting this mall make you memorable in your life. After I bought the car, once I came here and couldn't park my vehicle in the parking slot. I could not park, nor I take it back. It got stuck. It is a
Hello, if you like this video, please see all my previous videos. If you like them, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. Please drop your comments and suggestions. Thank you.
large car with 3 feet longer and 1 foot wider than Toyota Camry. There is no radius available to turn the vehicle and guide it into the parking slot. I struggled for some time and I was able to take it back, but I got a scratch on the side door as it touched the vehicle parked in adjacent slot. After this incident, I first checked whether there is sufficient radius is available to turn the car or not. Unfortunately, this beautiful mall is no more now. It is really sad. The mall was damaged in a fire accident in March 2017 and it was closed since then.